Deep in the heart of nature lies a haven unlike any other. Here, the worries of the world melt away, replaced by the serenity of a glistening lake and the embrace of the surrounding landscape. This is the story of a dream house, a place where music and nature intertwine to create a symphony of peace. Our journey begins with Mr. Narongvit, a man with a vision. He yearned for a sanctuary, a place reminiscent of a luxurious resort, where he could be one with nature and create music that flows from his soul. Upon first glimpse of this location, Mr. Narongvit knew it was the one. The panoramic vista of the lake ignited a spark within him, reminding him of his ideal haven, a space bathed in natural light, seamlessly connected to the environment. The key to this vision lies in the central inner courtyard. This open space acts as the heart of the house, weaving a path for natural light and serene green views to reach every corner. This connection to nature fosters relaxation and inspires creativity, perfectly embodying Mr. Narongvit's desire to seamlessly blend work and leisure. To fully utilize the lake's beauty, we took inspiration from the amphitheater, a place where all eyes are captivated by the central stage. This concept translates into the house's layout, where each level provides a unique perspective. Imagine standing in the bedroom, your gaze effortlessly travels through the inner courtyard and living area, culminating at the breathtaking vista of the lake. From the living room itself, the view transcends the space, revealing the lush green terraces that gracefully conceal the parking area. Even the workspace on the second floor offers a more expansive view of the garden, thanks to the tiered structure. While the house fosters a deep connection with nature, it also ensures complete privacy for its residents. The strategic placement of walls and landscaping shields the internal space from outside prying eyes, allowing Mr. Narongvit to enjoy the tranquility of his sanctuary without compromise. The design reflects Mr. Narongvit's personality, comfortable yet refined. Inspired by his previous home and the chandelier music office, the interior embraces a loft-chic aesthetic with a touch of luxury. We took ordinary materials and transformed them into something extraordinary. The brick facade, for instance, deviates from the conventional horizontal pattern. We chose a unique 1:6 ratio brick, laid at a 45-degree angle, creating a visually captivating effect. This design serves not only as an aesthetic statement, but also optimizes ventilation and heat control for the master bedroom. The angled brick facade serves more than just a practical purpose, it sparks curiosity. It's an invitation to discover the beauty that lies within, a reflection of Mr. Narongvit's own open and welcoming nature. From his vision to reality, Mr. Narongvit's dream house has come to life. Every detail, from the stunning lake view to the unique design elements, works in harmony,